Good morning all of you. Welcome to the online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. So friends, today we will revise chapter number 16, Seasons of class 2. Let's start beta. The air around us is sometimes hot and sometimes cold. When it is hot, so we have to say it is hot day. And when it is cold, so we have to say it is a cold day. When we say the day is hot or cold, we are talking about weather. Okay? Because we have to speak about a day. Okay? So, when a particular type of weather remains for a month or two, it is called a season. So, what is a season? When a particular type of weather remains 1 or 2 months, so we have to call it a season. When days and nights are hot for a month, so we call it the summer season. So can you guess which season it is when the days and nights are cold for months? So yes beta, that is a winter season when the days and nights both are the cold for months. So we have to say it is a winter season. There are many seasons in India. In India there are many seasons, but there are three main seasons: summer season, rainy season and winter season. But other seasons are also in our India. So look here, this is the summer season. Look at the picture. We have to use a fan, AC, okay, hot drinks, watermelon, and the sun bright directly over us. So we have summer in April, May and June. So the summer falls in India from April to June. The sun shines directly over us during this month. Look here, beta. The sun shines directly over us. This makes the days and nights very hot. We can keep ourselves cool by wearing loose white cotton clothes. So which type of clothes do we wear in summer season? We wear cotton clothes in summer season to keep ourselves cool. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners in summer. We also eat fruits like mango and watermelon in summer season. Okay, now come to the next, rainy season. Look at the picture. When it is rain, so we use an umbrella or wear a raincoat, and also we wear gumboots. So in rainy season, dark clouds appear in the sky. The clouds are in dark color, beta. There is lightning and thunder. Then it is rains. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky. So how many colors in the rainbow? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. We carry umbrellas or wear raincoats when we go out in the rain. Our farmers wait for the rainy season because crops need rainwater to grow. So here is a question. Why do farmers wait for the rainy season? Because crops need rainwater to grow. Okay? The answer is, come to the next, autumn season. Look here beta, the trees shed their leaves. Okay? So in autumn season, during this month of October to November. So in the autumn season falls from October to November. October and November there is a autumn season. The trees shed their leaves. The weather is neither hot or not cold. The trees shed their leaves. This is called the autumn season. Come to the next, winter season. So look here, this is a scene of a winter season. We wear woolen clothes or keep ourselves warm. Okay. So we have winter from December to Feb. Okay. So in India, the winter season is falls from December to February every year. During this season, the days are short and the nights are long. Cold winds blow during these months. The wind is very cold, and during summer season, the wind is very dry and hot, and during winter season, the wind is very cold. We wear woolen clothes like sweaters and coats to keep ourselves warm. So which type of clothes do we wear in winter season? We wear woolen clothes in winter season. And why? Because they keep ourselves warm. We enjoy have hot drinks like tea and coffee. Okay students, come to the next. Look here, this is a scene of a spring season. The trees are full of flowers or full of leaves. Birds are chirping, and the weather is very pleasant. That is neither hot or nor cold. From March to mid-April, the weather is neither cold nor hot. Plants are full of flowers. Trees have new leaves. This is the spring season. Then during the spring season, the trees are full of flowers or leaves. There is a new leaf during the spring season, and the weather is pleasant, neither hot or nor cold. The weather affects us in many ways. It affects our food we eat, clothes we wear, and everything we do. So this is depend on the weather beta. Now come to the worksheet. Look here, this is a flow chart of a season. There are the seasons: summer season, rainy season, autumn season, winter season, and spring season. So in India there are so many seasons. Weather: hot weather during summer, cold weather during winter, cloudy weather during rainy season, pleasant weather during spring season, and windy weather during autumn season. Okay, so this is a flow chart of a weather, and this is a flow chart of a season. Come to the next slide beta. Look here, list of the season with the months. So ritus in India: Vasant Ritu we call in spring season March to April. Grisham Ritu, that is called the summer season, May to June. यहाँ पर बेटा अब अप्रैल भी आने लगे, तो आप अप्रैल टू जून भी बोल सकते हैं, और मई और जून में ज्यादा सर्दी वो गर्मी पड़ती है बेटा. सो आप यहाँ पर अप्रैल टू जून भी कर सकते हैं. और जो आजकल जो हमारा वेदर जो चेंज हो रहा है, सो वो जो हमारा समर है वो अप्रैल में शिफ्ट हो गया बेटा. सो मिड अप्रैल टू जून. वर्षा ऋतु मीन्स मॉनसून और रेनी सीजन, जुलाई एंड अगस्त. शरद ऋतु मीन्स ऑटम सीजन, September and October. हेमंत ऋतु दैट इज प्री विंटर, जब इतनी विंटर नहीं होती पर विंटर स्टार्ट हो चुकी होती है बेटा, नवंबर एंड दिसंबर. एंड शिशिर ऋतु जब हम ठिठुरते हैं, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड द विंटर सीजन, जनवरी एंड फरवरी. सो दिस इज द चार्ट ऑफ द सीजन विद द मंथ इन इंडिया. ओके, सो वर्कशीट इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. It is not a month of summer season. इनमें से कौन सा मंथ है जो समर सीजन में नहीं आता? मई, जून, अप्रैल. सो फेब, और फेब में बेटा कौन सा सीजन आता है? विंटर सीजन. सो द राइट आंसर इज फेब. दिस सीजन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द फॉल. फॉल मीन्स बेटा गिरना. तो किस मौसम में पत्ते गिरते हैं? ऑटम सीजन. इन ऑटम सीजन ट्रीज शेड देयर leaves. Autumn, D part beta. Come to the next. We carry raincoat in this season. So in which season we carry raincoat? Monsoon. We call it rainy season. B part monsoon. It is the season of flowers and butterflies. The plants are full of flowers. In which season the plants are full of flowers beta? In spring season. Okay. The weather is pleasant in this season. So come to the next question. Fill in the blanks. Here is a help box: water, rainbow, directly, winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Okay. Sometimes we see colorful dash in the sky on a rainy day. So we see rainbow. Okay beta. During summer, the sun shines directly over us. During the summer season, the sun shines directly over us. We should drink plenty of water during summer. Come to the match the following. Summer is matched to watermelon. Wool is matched to sweater. And spring is matched to March to mid-April. Okay, come to the next question. Answer the following questions. How can we protect ourselves from rain? So in video I have already told you beta, we protect ourselves. How do we protect? So we wear raincoat or use umbrellas to protect ourselves from rain. Name 2 summer fruits. Yes, mango and watermelon. Name 3 main seasons. Summer season, rainy season and winter season. In which season do trees shed their leaves? So in autumn season, trees shed their leaves. Which season is called Basant in Hindi? So Basant is beta spring season. Very good. बसंत जो बसंत ऋतु है वो हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. So that is a spring season. So students, you have to watch this video, like and share the video and subscribe our channel beta. Okay students, bye.